In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image on your web page. This can be a great way to update the look and feel of your site, whether you're revamping the entire design or simply refreshing a single page. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you can follow along easily. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the specific page you intend to edit. Make sure you're logged into your content management system so that you have access to all the editing tools you'll need. Once you're on the correct page, look towards the top left corner where you'll see the Edit button. Clicking on this is your gateway to entering the edit mode, allowing you to make changes to everything from text to other design elements. Now that you're in edit mode, the next thing you'll want to do is hover your cursor over the section of the page where you'd like to make changes. As you do this, keep an eye out for a pencil icon to appear. This icon is your cue to start editing. Clicking on this pencil will open up a variety of editing options specific to that section. With the editing menu visible, look specifically for the option labeled Background. This is where you'll be able to make changes to the background settings, including the image. Once you've clicked on Background, your next step is to select Image. Doing this brings up the interface that allows you to either upload a new picture or select one you've already uploaded to your asset library. If you decide to upload a new image, you'll click on the plus icon. This opens a dialog box where you can navigate through the folders on your computer to choose the image you'd like to use. Alternatively, if you've already got a selection of images in your asset library, you might find the perfect picture already waiting there. Simply choose the image that best fits the visual style you're going for on your web page. Finally, it's essential to ensure that everything is saved before you exit the edit mode. You'll typically find the Save button in the same menu or a nearby toolbar. By saving your changes, you ensure that the new background image is applied to your web page for visitors to see. Taking the time to review your edit and save it not only protects your work, but also ensures that the look you're aiming for is reflected accurately on your live page. And there you have it, a straightforward yet detailed guide to updating your web page's background image efficiently. With these steps mastered, you can easily refresh your web page's appearance anytime you wish.